Well, here we are. Looks like we got a classic car enthusiast dream here with all these lovely old classics. Probably getting quite rare now, but probably sadly not very restorable here. I'm not sure what that is. Could be riding on Wolsey there. Is that an old Cromwell van? Not sure. Somebody would know with those windows like that. Probably shows the styling of the company there. Various other cars there. Not sure what it is down there. Could be a Triumph in the middle there. There's an old Triumph at the back. There's probably a few more down there. Could have well been a former scrapyard here. I wouldn't say where it is. There's an old Rover over there. Probably a Morris Minor. Just at the side. Oh. Car just in the bushes here as well, somewhere. There we are. Got a lot of old corrugated iron, etc. So could well. Could be an old scrapyard, some inscription. Another car even here on the undergrowth. Looks like a lovely old. Could be an A60 that. Looks like probably too far gone that one. Cambridge or Oxford maybe. There we are. Not easy to say what else is here with the overgrown here.